FTMO is done. There is a new reigning champ in the prop trading community. Welcome to Electric Buddha. If you haven't already, please like and follow my channel, and I will show you how to print. Let's go ahead and get into this. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Electric Buddha. Today I want to go over prop trading. Prop trading is where if you're a trader, you can get companies to fund you and then you trade their assets and do a profit sharing split with them. All right, so FTMO is the biggest and I believe the first in the industry, and they've consistently been the best, but there's been some recent changes with them. Here, look at this. So FTMO used to support CTrader, and recently they sent an email to all U.S. citizens that they can't use CTrader anymore. And for me, trading CTrader has been my edge. It's amazing. It's responsive. It allows you to place orders and close the orders, modify the orders lightning fast. I've never seen anything like this before. And then they've recently switched everybody. They forced everybody to switch to MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. And just so you guys know, I think these platforms suck. I hate them. They are old. They are not as responsive, and just the order flow is completely chaotic. So there's a new prop firm which is also less expensive, and oh my gosh. Okay, so another thing about FTMO is they have a two-step verification process. They have an FTMO challenge, which is 30 days, and then they have a second verification process, which could be, you know, they give you 60 days, but it required 10 trading days, and there's only 5 trading days in the week when you're trading indexes and most stocks and everything like that. So, I mean, this can take you quite a long time to get done, and the cost for a $100,000 account is a refundable fee of 540 euros. I have another prop firm which is way better in my opinion, and I'm switching over effective immediately because of FTMO's lack of CTrader support. But it's called Funded Trading Plus, and their $100,000 account is $499. It's less expensive, and I have a promo code in the description to give you an additional 10% off. So take, you know, $49.90 off this price. It's way less expensive, and they got the 80-10 split. But another thing is they don't have a two-phase verification. So if you pass and get to the profit target in one day, you're cleared and you get funded. You know, I think it's 3 minimum days. I'm not sure, but you get funded way faster than FTMO, and also they scale you up. FTMO will have a situation where they scale you up every 4 months, right? Every 4 months they'll increase your, you know, account size by 25%. Funded Trading Plus will scale you up as soon as you hit the 10% milestones. If you have a $100,000 account, you get to $110,000. You can scale up to a $200,000 account right there on the spot, and they will let you scale same day. I mean, so you can get up to a $2.5 million account very, very fast. This is less expensive to get in than FTMO. You get funded way faster than FTMO. You could scale your account way faster than FTMO, and I got a 10% discount. But another thing that is huge is they have TradingView. They support TradingView versus FTMO is putting you on MetaTrader. I hate MetaTrader, and they don't support CTrader anymore. Funded Trading Plus has TradingView. So usually I look at TradingView charts, And then on FTMO, I have to go and open the MetaTrader, and it's this big, bulky, slow, I can't zoom in, I can't move the chart around. I hate MetaTrader. Like, how am I supposed to use this? The Fibonacci levels, it's so complicated to move it. I also, this is not exact. It's so frustrating versus TradingView. If I want to do, so this is my TradingView. I'm testing it out on the paper trading. I brought this account up from the 100,000 starting balance to 110,429 right here today, just because I find that TradingView, it respects the Fibonacci levels so well to the, just right there. It's so precise. Turning around right at this, stopping right there on the level. It's so precise. And then if I want to, open a trade right there, I just click the button. I got a long position, right? I could take the stop loss, put it right there. I could take take profit and put it, right here at this. That is trading on TradingView. It is so amazing. It is so simple. And oh my gosh, this is going to save so much time, just being able to click the buttons directly from TradingView instead of switching over to MetaTrader, inputting this order, right, symbol. I have to do a bunch of, mathematics. I can't. It's so horrible. MetaTrader is so horrible. And that's why I'm done with FTMO. They don't support CTrader anymore, and they don't have TradingView. I am 100% in with Funded Trading Plus. So this is the prop firm that I recommend, and I have a 10% off promo code, coupon code in the description. Go ahead and get it. Also, if you trade crypto, I recommend BingX as the platform. Because they have all the crypto pairs, but they also have the indexes, like the S&P 500, NASDAQ, Hang Seng, German DAX. They have Forex. They have, commodities like silver, gold, crude oil. But they also have copy trading. You can get other traders to trade your account for you. And if they enter a trade, you enter the trade as well. And there's these copy traders, they have, 1,000% return per month, 10x per month. There's a lot of really good, copy traders on here. So, I got promo codes for all that. This is Electric Buddha, and like and follow my channel, and I will show you how to print. That's it, everybody. Good luck out there. Take care.